Aku por wa Khlad ka belenda te. Ye bro sangut ya ra eksenduk jengka. Tang bopet mentah pat u Friday. Kam no ka ching chen chat am. Tip show kan long kom na la da. Yap sama na mana ni.
Kikubor Kapatisi TV.
Manus nam daki lakbon ki bakwa penpinda beke MBBS Henry Kindiat e ki bapas ke admission kalapli ha Emmanuel Coaching Academy epi join menta pinyo e ki kot bat ki materials kin don ru ki mock test ban pen kraya pi na kabenda ka neat.
Ni Trok biang ide da sayong kai. Bakala ni Scooty.
Ya abni toro yupi mur yupi we mur yuka se thanat lebutip ka kata samyet bila jam mana kesa
Oh buyur ma diang buru lan.
gas da mulai gas thanat tong paisa ramte na len dat mur jam makes mandai yupi
Uway Nongñiah Scooty ubang pala bantip kerteng. Ulah Khlad no Hashen hadin maka Scooty ke baunya. Kepada new number ML05Y 5105. Kalai bantara e kawai Trok kabayang harut Surok. Kepada new number NL01AC 2237. Kat kum kajing tip belayolum. Kani ngelaja ka arfnyo trek jemang aja pun riau. Hapring kapor khawai si teng baji men step. Hadu kapor khalar baji si teng sngi. Haka Surok ba akas nong tu ber Sohshrieh ka bahap apo ka East Tynrah Hills District. La suba ba kajing Tynrah jong Scooty ya ka Trok kabayang harut Surok. Kala bandai nakajing penher state jong Nongñiah Scooty. Kad hadu ba umla asyu. Pansan syari ulakam kabala lampat syakani kajing ja ka bersusi. Kipulet kebelayo jing tip alor kani jing ja. Ya alai ben pelong jing tokit ban pen kit no ekamet jong Nongñiah Sohshrieh Riyadh Civil Hospital.
mana jia abni toro yupi mur yupi we mur yuka se thanat lebutip ka kata samyet bila jam mana kesa
Oh buyur ma diang buru lan.
gas da mulai gas thanat tong paisa ramte na len dat mur jam makes mandai yupi hanam karo kesa
Bisa sengah lah mudah mo.
Ni Trok biang ide da sayong kai. Bakala ni Scooty.
Pidan dukan marbam ndai compare la ka bared ka pidi harut Surok ni ka bahe kum ki restaurant bat ki wei ni pishat roti shat cake bat ki wei na ka benta ka koi ka khya jonggi pat ba nong bam nong di pat ba pinyo ka jing shania naki pidan kam bandon de ka license ka papaka ka bala ithu da ka an kata ka Food Safety and Standards Act arjar henril link back section lai poi iwe kamde ka ba pinyo ek license pila ban apply ko online link back website foscas.fssai.gov.in da ka pi hap pan upload ru yaki kod kisla badan kam kat kum ka jajing kam jong pi pila ru banyak kendo yaki designated officers lani food safety officers ke badan hak office terekam jong u lani ke district medical and health officer habro ke district ke badan hamigalaya latno tang ha is khasi hers pila ban let bed chak office terekam jongki ka commissionerate of food safety ke badan halowa lachumya nakabenta ka kot kakya kinong bam nong di lawan ra shapi daga commissionerate of food safety government of Meghalaya bat balakershan daga food safety and standards authority of India.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.